There's a reason this recipe took the internet by storm, capturing the hearts and taste buds of millions. It's more than just a trend. It's a culinary phenomenon that brings together simplicity, flavor, and a touch of magic. At first glance, you might wonder what sets this recipe apart from the countless others that surface online every day. But as you follow each step, the answer becomes clear. It's the perfect harmony of ingredients, the ease of preparation, and the delightful result that keeps people coming back for more. Let's start with the basics. The beauty of this dish lies in its accessibility. You don't need to be a professional chef or have a pantry stocked with exotic spices. With just a handful of everyday ingredients, think fresh vegetables, a protein of your choice, a splash of olive oil, and a few simple seasonings, you're on your way to something truly special. This is a recipe designed for busy weeknights, spontaneous gatherings, or those moments when you crave comfort food without the fuss. Preparation begins with a few minutes of hands-on work. Chopping, slicing, and mixing, you start to notice the vibrant colors and tantalizing aromas. There's something therapeutic about assembling the components, knowing that in a short while, your kitchen will be filled with the mouth-watering scent that has become synonymous with this viral sensation. As the dish comes together, it's clear why so many people have fallen in love with it. Each step is thoughtfully designed to maximize flavor without complicating the process. Seasonings are added at just the right moment, allowing them to infuse every bite. The cooking method, whether it's a quick roast in the oven, a gentle simmer on the stove, or a flash in the skillet, ensures that everything is cooked to perfection, preserving both texture and taste. But what truly elevates this recipe is its adaptability. The original version might feature juicy chicken breasts paired with ripe tomatoes and a sprinkle of fresh basil, but the possibilities are endless. Swap in tofu for a vegetarian twist, or add a handful of spinach for extra greens. Some like to top it off with a generous scoop of creamy cheese, letting it melt and mingle with the other ingredients. Others drizzle a bit of balsamic glaze for a burst of tangy sweetness. No matter how you customize it, the foundation remains the same. Straightforward steps, wholesome ingredients, and guaranteed satisfaction. As you take your first bite, it's easy to understand the hype. The flavors are bold, yet balanced, each ingredient complementing the others without overpowering. There's a comforting warmth, a sense of nostalgia mixed with novelty. It's the kind of meal that feels both familiar and exciting, reminding you that good food doesn't have to be complicated. Perhaps the most remarkable thing about this recipe is its ability to bring people together. Social media is flooded with photos and videos of families and friends gathered around tables, sharing laughter and stories over plates of this beloved dish. It's inspired countless home cooks to try something new, to experiment in the kitchen, and to rediscover the joy of a homemade meal. In a world where trends come and go in the blink of an eye, this recipe has proven its staying power. It's a testament to the idea that sometimes the simplest things are the most memorable. Whether you're cooking for one or feeding a crowd, you'll find yourself returning to this recipe time and again because it's easy, it's delicious, and it just feels right. So the next time you're searching for inspiration, remember the dish that went viral for all the right reasons, and treat yourself to a meal that's as rewarding to make as it is to enjoy.